My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website webdefenserequired.com. This is the site that tries to trick its visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website actually says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, and it also says some other scary messages trying to trick you into downloading some potentially unwanted software. Plus, this particular website also attempts to trick people into clicking on this special allow button to make them subscribe to the multiple push notifications. It's a mistake to click on allow button, and it is also a mistake to click on this proceed button because you may be redirected to some other questionable content, to some other dangerous page that may point you to a totally different software, not even the one that is supposedly advertised initially. So you should not trust these faulty messages and fake alerts. Plus, if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you should fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, choose security and privacy, site settings, go to permissions and select notifications. At this point, pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications, and if you find any malicious sites here, including this webdefenserequired.com, make sure you remove it from the list. I would also recommend researching your device additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.